Using smart actions, certain actions can be automatically triggered, or the behavior of the data logger can be changed depending on the current measurement value. This allows us to react to events such as excessive flow rates due to leaks in the water distribution network. The actions to be carried out or the alternative behavior can be defined individually. Actions such as triggering a transmission are carried out when the measurement value is outside the normal range. An alternative behavior, such as a shorter transmission interval or an active warning message, is retained as long as the measurement value is outside the normal range. To ensure fast response times, all operations required for smart actions are carried out directly on the data logger. Smart actions are therefore rules that users can create individually to define the data logger's reactions to specific events. These rules affect the recording, the transmission, and the generation of warning and alarm messages. We now want to create a smart action that triggers an immediate recording and transmission and signals an alarm when a certain level is exceeded. As a starting point, we select a site that records a water level and has already recorded data for a certain period of time. Let's switch to the input screen for configuring the site. In the Smart Actions section, click on the Add button. In the first step of the wizard, select Radar Level as our source. This is the measuring channel of the site with which the water level is recorded. We click on the Next button to switch to the configuration of the smart action. In the top section of the window, the previously recorded graph of the water level is displayed. We enter the level at which immediate recording and transmission should be triggered, and the alarm signaled in the field threshold. The entered threshold is then also displayed in the graph of the water level as a red dashed line. As our level is normally below the threshold and the alarm should be signaled when the threshold is exceeded, we select the entry above from the drop-line list direction. The alarm remains active as long as the level exceeds the threshold. To activate signaling the alarm, select the Alert Level checkbox and select the alarm entry from the drop-down list next to it. The checkboxes for the trigger transmission and the trigger recording actions are then automatically selected. We could also deselect these manually, but as we want immediate recording and transmission, we leave them selected. A summary of the selected configuration is displayed after clicking on the Next button. In this last step, we can define the name of the smart action and add a more detailed description. Both are then displayed in the Smart Actions section. The smart action is created by clicking the Create button. To save the smart action, you also need to click the Save button below the Smart Actions section. The configuration of the smart action can be opened and customized at any time by clicking on its name in the Smart Actions section. To go back to the list of sites, click on Back. Now we have to wait until the next connection. The changed configuration will only be transferred to the Celox after this connection. The time until the next connection is displayed here. If you have the device in front of you, you can also trigger the connection using the magnet. Now we increase the water level. As soon as the threshold defined in the smart action is exceeded, the device connects to the server and signals the alarm. We recognize the active alarm by the red symbol for the status of the measurement site.